Looking for ways to access quick cash? Credit card issuers and services are making it easier to access your credit limit without having to take out a cash advance, so you'll save more money in the process. Flexible financing allows you to tap your credit card's credit limit so that you can get money deposited as cash into your bank account. Or you can also access your credit card's credit limit even when some merchants don't accept it as a payment method. So if, say, you need to pay your landlord for rent, it might be an option that you can tap, and it might be a cheaper one at that. Before we dive in, let's make it clear that this option is ideal for people who can afford to pay back what they borrow and also leave enough room in their credit limit to be able to access it. These options are great if you're between paychecks and you don't have to pay a high APR or fees as you might have had to do before with cash advances. When talking about ways to access your credit limit for quick cash, there are 3 options. The first is targeted flexible financing credit card offers. Some credit card issuers have made it possible to access your credit limit as an installment loan. An installment loan is a fixed amount of money that you can borrow over a set time frame, so that might be months or years. And it's different from a credit card because you typically borrow those funds all at once. Some credit card issuers like Chase and Citi have targeted offers that allow you to access your credit limit much like a personal loan. So you can have funds sent directly to your bank account if you qualify, and you don't have to undergo an application process or a credit check, and you don't have to pay an origination fee. So you can potentially have a fixed monthly payment at a possibly lower APR. And again, this is only if you can qualify with credit worthiness and maintaining a low balance on your credit card or no balance at all, and potentially other factors as well. One benefit of this option is that at a fixed monthly payment, you'll know exactly what your credit card bill will look like each month, and it'll be easier to budget for that. And once those funds have been sent to your bank account, you can allocate them toward a relatively large purchase. But if you're looking for an even cheaper option, you can apply for a 0% APR credit card or a personal loan, but those options will require an application process and a credit check. The next option is a credit card that already has installment loans built in. The Upgrade credit card is the only one that I'm currently aware of that allows you to use it as a credit card or a personal loan in which funds can be sent directly to your bank account. Unlike the offers mentioned previously, this is not a targeted offer. So once you're approved, then you can have both options available to you, and you'll pay a fixed monthly payment regardless of which one you choose. So it's easier to budget for. When you can't get an offer directly through your credit card issuer, there may be services that allow you to tap your credit card's credit limit in order to pay off some large purchases. For example, Plastic is a third-party payment option that allows you to pay rent, daycare, utilities, or other bills where merchants don't necessarily accept credit cards. So in exchange for a fee, they will cut the recipient a check on your behalf, and that amount is taken out of your credit card. So you're paying the fee, you're paying interest charges on the bill itself. So it's important that you pay it off in time so that you don't accrue interest charges on really high purchases. So if, for example, your rent is $1,000, you'll be charged that plus $28.50, which accounts for Plastic's processing fee of 2.85%. If you don't pay right away, you could be paying interest charges on your credit card on top of that. If you want to be strategic and you're between paychecks, try to pay off your credit card bill before your next due date to make use of your credit card's grace period. That way you'll avoid racking up any interest charges. The next option for eligible Amex card holders includes peer-to-peer payments. Amex's Send feature allows you to send money to any PayPal or Venmo customer by using your credit card, and you don't have to pay any processing fees. So you don't have to wait for your paycheck to arrive anymore in order to pay a friend back. You can tap your credit card's credit limit, and you don't have to pay any fees. Cash advances are easy to get, but they are also one of the costliest ways to get access to quick cash. They have high interest rates and fees, so these options will definitely lessen the blow to your wallet if you're in need of quick cash between paychecks. Still, you should use caution and only borrow what you can afford to pay back. As long as you make these money moves, you'll keep debt at bay and make the most of your credit cards. Hi, my name is Melissa Lambarena, and I'm a writer on the credit cards team. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.